We'll guide you through how to create a DaVinci Resolve anime edit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Give your project a name that fits the theme of your anime edit. Then, go to the Media tab located at the bottom of the screen and import your anime footage by dragging it into the media pool. Next, switch to the Edit tab where you can start crafting your edit. Drag your footage onto the timeline to begin. You can cut and trim the clips by using the blade tool, which is represented by a razor icon. Click on it, then click on the points where you want to make cuts. After cutting, you can rearrange the clips to fit your desired sequence. To enhance the anime feel, you can add motion blur or color grading. Move to the Color tab for color correction. Here, adjust the saturation and contrast to make the colors pop. Use the color wheels to give it a warmer or cooler tone, depending on the mood you are aiming for. Now, let's add some special effects. Head over to the Fusion tab, which is perfect for adding visual effects. You can create text animations or add particles by using Fusion nodes. Connect these nodes to the media you want to affect, and adjust parameters like size and speed to fit your style. Finally, go to the Deliver tab to export your anime edit. Choose the format you need, like MP4, and set the resolution to match your original footage for the best quality. Click on Add to Render Queue, and then start render to finalize your work. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful tool, and with these steps, you can create a stunning anime edit. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.